Buongiorno tutti. Amanda Brett here, watercolour artist from Auckland, New Zealand. I'm in Lucca, my favourite place. And this is Mercato d'Antica in Piazza San Martino. Still got the end of my germies, a little bit of hay fever going on too, what a pain. Anyway, this is where I'm painting today. I found myself a little shady corner. Here's my gear, hold on a second. Pan around, I'm amongst all the delivery vans. There I am in my little corner. Hopefully I've carved out a spot. Hopefully I won't kill myself, most important. Oh, and this is Chiesa San Martino. I'm a bit zoomed in because I'm quite close. It's very beautiful inside, but I'm not going in today. Good place to go on a very, very hot day. Any of the Chiesi in Lucca, anywhere actually. Isn't it beautiful? I love this antique market. So this is my first time painting the market on plein air. So I'm going to have a crack at it. I'm just going to pan around again for you. Oh my word, look at those stripes over there. Can you see them? The stripy umbrella. Oh my gosh, I am in the right place today. If you would like to come and paint with me, and I think you should, check out my website, www.amandabrett.net. My website again, www.amandabrett.net, and I'll bring you to places like this to paint. Carve out a little spot. Find a small thing. Oh, lady in a pram, kids, people walking. Oh, look, he's asleep, little darling. And this is the kind of place that I like to paint. And if you like to paint this sort of thing or want to learn, check out my website, www.amandabrett.net, or email me, amanda@amandabrett.net. Ciao belly. Bye.